Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid Fills here. Today I'm bringing you another video. Um, First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in my videos or on social platforms, it's my opinion and it's not a financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So do your own due diligence and seek professional opinion from somebody that is licensed, which is I'm not. That's out of the way. I'm gonna be talking today about my Tesla trades. So let's get to it. Every time I kind of explain to you guys, or I make the video, I kind of bring in the fact that support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, right? And trends. So this is what we're gonna talk about. So Tesla, I wasn't really watching Tesla from the beginning. However, I had it on my chart, kind of watching it on the side because I'm waiting for this to kind of see where it's gonna go, break lower or kind of go up. So I noticed something very interesting. The market was washing and Tesla was holding. So during this period right here, midday, Tesla was holding and the market was washing. So I kind of kept an eye on it, see what's gonna happen. And then I plotted this line. So that line is coming from these peaks right here. So you have peak, pull back, tried to break again, couldn't. And then when it broke, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Tested it once, twice, three times. So at this point, you can see how violent this is, right? Like it just got bought back up, got bought back up, got bought back up. So the next time it tested it, it got bought back up, however, started cracking. So when it started cracking, now it's telling me that the trend might be changing. So I started shorting, covered, and then I waited to see what's gonna happen. This is the VWAP. Usually VWAP will rebound the stock. It kind of lost it, so I shorted again, covered, and then I waited to see what's gonna happen. Started cracking back again. I shorted again, took profits at this level right here, which is the pre-market high on this platform. So I was waiting to see what's gonna happen once it reaches that support. And if we zoom out, you can see it held the stock before. So now I'm expecting this line to become support, right? Again, because it held it here, it held it here, it held it here, went through it. However, when it came here, I wanted to see what's gonna happen. So what turned out to be support. Now we're gonna go back to the upside. So I kind of bought the curl, started selling, and then watched what's gonna happen. Kind of stopped out here for the rest of the shares, and then I accumulated again, and then I was unloading into the spike. From the beginning, I said the market was washing, Tesla was holding. Technically, this is supposed to become a resistance and kind of come down. However, because the stock was strong, I didn't really want to gamble on that. It's not a high probability at this point it's going to continue lower. So I just reacted to the price action here and I left it alone. I didn't want to assume this wants to come all the way down, even though it did come all the way down afterwards. So that's the trade on Tesla. This is how I use higher highs and higher lows and lows and lower highs. And you can see here I kind of marked them on the chart for easy visuals, so you can see what I actually shorted right there when it cracked the lows, and then this is my VWAP, which is right here. So the chart again, it's small, so the price is really small, but this is zoomed in, so it makes more sense to you guys. So every green line here indicates where I possibly shorted, as you can see from the execution charts on DAS Pro. So I shorted, covered, shorted, cover, shorted, cover, and then I waited for the return, and then I started coming back on, longed it, and then came back in, longed it again. I hit again the spot where it's supposed to become resistance, where it actually was getting bought back up, right? And I just called it. That's it. Again, this is, I don't want to anticipate that the stock is going to roll over from here. I just wanted to react to the price action and the easy intercepted price action that's happening. I did take a quick scalp on it in the morning, so I shorted this again. A wick, we have a significant level. I took a short on it and then I covered. I didn't I missed the drop really. but I was going for that quick scalp on it, just so I can profit from the price action. So this is how I use support and resistance in a way. However, I'm putting the context within the market. The market is washing, so I don't really want to say right here is gonna crack, because this is a too steep of a drop. However, I was waiting for something where it shows me it's gonna bounce and then it loses it, and when it loses it, it's telling me it's actually getting weaker, and that's why I jumped in short. So that being said, if you liked anything in this video, if you learned something new, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, help out the channel, let other traders see what we're talking about here. And that being said, thanks for watching and take care.